Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create cleaning contract on legal templates completely online with a little walkthrough. So first of all, we have to click on the link underneath this video, which will take you to legaltemplates.net on the exact landing page where you should land. Then go up and click on business forms and then view all business forms. This link will show you tons of legal forms to pick from. It's almost 200. That's why we are going to use the search engine, and we are going to pick cleaning contract and then cleaning invoice. But let's go with cleaning contract. Cleaning contract, you can also preview the PDF, and then create a document. So, sales of goods or services, let's go with services since it's cleaning. Service provider information, who is providing the cleaning, also the address, also Texas city that I picked from, Texas, and also 77510. And you can also add more, but you can easily just go with one address. Next, buyer, which is you, and then all your information, then description of services. Basically, you probably need cleaning services. So next, what is the total amount? 1,000. Who will be paying the taxes? Provider. Next, payment method: cash. As a very no. Down payment, no. Buyer the good remaining balance, full payment upon completion. Next, does the buyer have the right to inspect the final product? Yes. How many days after receiving the product does the buyer have to inspect them? Let's go with 3. Next, does the buyer have statutory right to cancel the transaction? Yes. Next, you want to include any additional provisions? No. And then we are at the final steps, which will be disputes. If something goes wrong, where is going to be resolved. Next, assignments, written permission. I'm gonna go with no. With a law of will govern this letter. Taxes, save, and we are at the end. So we either can go with preview, where everything will be written down. Obviously, the watermark will be gone, so no review. Close and then save. So right now, all you have to do is just save it and download it and pick the basically trial. If you need to create more legal forms, I'll strongly recommend you paying $1, and let's cost next to nothing, and proceed with more legal forms. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any types of questions, please leave them underneath this video, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.